And when you talk about menu innovation and versatility, there's nothing more versatile than chicken.
That's really
You can cook chicken 100,000 ways. I personally love to cook chicken thighs. You can take thighs in any direction menu-wise, based on what your customers are looking for. You could explore cuisines from around the world, really, with chicken. Chicken is that blank palette that you can use to draw in your customers and bring in new flavor exploration. One thing we always cook at home, I like to skewer chicken thighs, marinate them in a yogurt, and there's a seasoning from Eastern Mediterranean called baharat. It's a great seasoning. It's got cumin, cardamom, some coriander, black pepper, paprika in it, and it's just a great, you blend that with yogurt, let your chicken marinate for a little while, put it on a skewer, get some great color on it, whether you're grilling it or skewering it over live fire, and just put that on a fresh salad of greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and a nice lemon vinaigrette. It's the best summertime meal right there.
And I personally like infusing fruits and berries to that sweet and salty kind of, flavor profile that can really push some great palates.
Yeah.
So one of the things that actually I do, of course, is once again, cooking with chicken, right? The chicken can be so versatile, whether it's, all over the grill, over a flat top, even, so versatile, of course. One of the great things I like to do, if anything, is a cranberry chicken salad, which, you have a little bit of everything, right? You have your cranberry, your fresh berries, whether it's dried or fresh. You have your pecans, whatever nut you prefer. I normally do pecans with anything, or pecans, however you want to say it. You have your chicken, your romaine or some type of, green salad. You kind of mix it all together with either light mayo or however you want to infuse the aioli. And you kind of mix it all together, and there you go. You can serve it with, some toast, a nice, buttered brioche, however you want to call it, right? And make it a sandwich, right? So talking about complexity, right? Taking one chicken salad, either serving it as is or also putting it in a sandwich. So in a variety of other ways too, right?
Yeah, one of my favorite desserts is you take a little bit of pound cake, grilled peaches, and some ice cream, and then sprinkle it with bacon.
Yes, and the bacon, of course, is the next one that's really great with anything to dessert.
That's right. Yeah, that sweet, savory, grilled peach deliciousness is a fan favorite every time I make it. One of the favorite things that I like to do, it's a fan favorite, everyone loves to see it, is beer can chicken. It's just a unique style of cooking a whole bird. The beer on the inside acts as a heat transfer, so you can cook that bird in a moist way from the inside out. It's a great way to do it. Plus, you can season it however you want. You can go Latin American, you can go, just your standard lemon herb and everything else. But it's just a really good way to cook a chicken, and people love to see it. They get excited about it.
That's awesome. It's one of the things you can call out on your menus too, right? That beer can chicken.
Yeah.
And that kind of process and even cooking wise.
Yeah.
It's just a great specialty item.